Wake up, it's a brand new day. Brush your teeth and wash away the sleepy dust, the night is gone. Time to stretch and carry on. Healthy habits every day help us grow in every way. Morning to night, step by step, a healthy routine is the best kept. Breakfast, what a treat. Fruits and grains are good to eat. Eggs or oats, a veggie too. They give us strength for all we do. Healthy habits every day help us grow in every way. Morning to night, step by step, a healthy routine is the best kept. School, we learn and play, reading, counting through the day. Jump and run, it's time to move. Exercise helps our bodies groove. Lunch is here, let's take a seat. A balanced meal is hard to beat. Veggies, fruits, and grains to chew keep us happy, strong, and new. Comes a little rest, a quiet time helps us feel our best. Reading books or taking a nap gets us ready for a fun recap. Dinner served, we sit and eat. Veggies, protein, what a treat. Family time, we talk and share. Good food helps show we care. Healthy habits every day help us grow in every way. Morning to night, step by step, a healthy routine is the best kept. Now it's bedtime, brush your teeth, hop in bed and snuggle beneath a cozy blanket. Close your eyes, sweet dreams float across the skies. Morning to night, from start to end, a healthy routine is our best friend. Eat, play, rest, and sleep just right for a happy day and a peaceful night.